Gardeners, welcome back to my front door garden update. It's been 20 days since we planted our seeds, and boy, do we have some exciting progress to share. As you can see, our lettuce and peas are thriving. Just look at these lush greens. It's amazing how quickly they've taken off. But remember those radish seeds we planted? Well, unfortunately, they didn't all germinate as expected. It happens sometimes in gardening, but that's okay because we believe in second chances. Check it out. After replanting, our radish seeds are finally starting to emerge. It just goes to show that with a little patience and care, even setbacks can turn into successes. It's been an incredible journey watching these seeds grow into thriving plants right here at my front door. And the best part, knowing that soon we'll be enjoying fresh homegrown produce straight from this tiny garden. Thanks for joining me on this garden update. Stay tuned for more gardening adventures, and remember, never ever give up on your gardening dreams. If you like this video, I hope you will like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful night.